So we're gonna let crash this helicopter because it got cheated into the game. When is he gonna jump out of it? I don't know. There he is.
Oh fuck, it just hit me. I'm actually bleeding right now.
You're bleeding?
It actually ran into me.
Do you have bandages?
Oh, don't. Oh shit, don't blow up on me. Don't blow up on me. I'm gonna land right on it. Please don't blow up. Oh, this is gonna be bad.
Oh god.
Bet you made it. Good
Run
job.
away. I made it. I'm good. I got bandages. Ooh, perfect timing to get out of there.
Do you need a blood bag or something like that?
Not right now. I'm good for now, but I will later.
Okay.